Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on Cauchy's integral formula. It will also include Cauchy's theorem. So the question is, compute e to the power of z square divided by z minus 2 dz, where C is the curve given. For first one, the curve given is, it is a circle with radius 1 and centered at 2. Right? This is a circle centered at 2 with radius equal to 1. So let's see this, where this lies. Centered at 2, this is going to be a circle like this. Right? This is 2. X, Y, Z plane. And this radius is 1. Now, let's observe something, and it is this function e to the power z square. Let's say this is f of z equal to e to the power of z square. This is a function which is analytic at every point. Remember e to the power of x or e to the power of x square. Can you see that e to the power x is a function which is differentiable and integrable, and it is defined from minus infinity to infinity. So overall you can say that this function is analytic. Similarly, this is e to the power of z square, which is also going to be analytic. So once this function is analytic, definitely it must be analytic in this region. Let's say this is C1 and we are making it counterclockwise. So you can say f of z is also analytic in C1, and z0 equal to 2 lies within C1. What is z0 equal to 2? How are we getting this? What is this z equal to 2? How are we observing this to be z equal to 2? The equation given in the equation is like this: f of z, since we have assumed e to the power of z square to be f of z, divided by z minus z0 dz. So this z0 is nothing but 2, and this 2 lies within the region C or C1. So we have seen that as per the Cauchy's integral formula, the integration of f of z by z minus z0 dz for the interval C is given as 2 pi I f of z0. This is what we have studied. Obviously we can see that contour is counterclockwise also, right? So this is going to be 2 pi I e to the power of z0, which is 2. So 2 square, which is 2 pi e to the power 4 I. So this will be the answer for this first graph. Second graph says it is a circle z minus 4 equal to 1, which means this is another circle centered at 4 with the same radius 1, right? This is y, this is x. So for our function or integration, this is let's take g of z is equal to e to the power of z square divided by z minus 2, right? We know that the numerator, which is e to the power of z square, is analytic function, and the denominator, which is z minus 2, this is going to have one singularity, and that singularity is z equal to 2. This is the singularity or the point at which g of z is not analytic. But z equal to 2 does not come within the domain of C2. Let's say this is C2. Let's say this is C2. So this point z equal to 2 must lie somewhere here, 2, and this is radius of 1. So that means this z equal to 2 is out of the domain we are discussing about. So in that case, this g of z is analytic in C2. Yes, g of z has only one singularity, which is z equal to 2, but that is not in the domain we are discussing about. So for our domain, this g of z becomes analytic, and once this is analytic, the entire g of z dz for C, which is actually e to the power of z square by z minus 2 for C, will directly become 0 as per the Cauchy's theorem. Right? Because in this case we are not taking e to the power z square as the function, we are taking the entire e to the power z square divided by z minus 2 as the function, and this entire function numerator by denominator is analytic in our region. So Cauchy's theorem applies, and the integration for a closed path will give it to be 0. Third part is for the loop shown. So in this case, there is a certain graph given. This is z equal to 2, and this is the curve. The direction is also given. This direction is in this manner. Again, this 2 lies here. This is x and this is y. This is z plane. Now we have some points of observation here. This curve is not simply connected. It is crossing itself, so it is not simply connected. Secondly, this curve is in the negative orientation, that is, it is in the clockwise direction. It is not in the anti-clockwise direction. Two things. So overall, if this is C3, let's define this C3 as CA and CB. Right? Let us define this as CA and CB. So we are defining this curve into two parts. Now if you see, let's say this CB goes in this manner, and another one, which is CA, goes in this manner. Now we can see that this overall C3 has been divided into two simply connected curve. So the integration of this function f of z d, let's not write f of z here for now at least, let's write h of z dz for C3 can be given as sum of h of z dz for CA and for CB. So we have divided this curve into two parts so that we can get two simply connected curves. Now in this case we can see for both CA and CB, I'm writing in general, for both CA and CB, taking f of z equal to e to the power of z square and the denominator or the z naught equal to 2. So this z naught equal to 2 lies within the curve. Within the curve in the sense of CA and CB both. Also f of z, which is e to the power of z square, is analytic in domain. Domain is like all the points on and within the curve CA and CB. So in that case we can again apply the Cauchy's integral formula, but minding one thing, and this is very important here, which is the contour is clockwise. The contour is clockwise. So instead of whatever formula we had, the formula was, let's write C3 only. So we are writing it f of z by z minus z naught dz equal to 2 pi I times of f of z naught, right? But this is the general formula. So in that case we are going to get this as CA f of z by z minus 2 dz plus CB f of z by z minus 2 dz. Now taking care that both the curves are in negative sense, we will write it as minus 2 pi I f of 2 and again minus 2 pi I f of 2. We have already found this f of 2 in the first question, and this was 2 pi e to the power of 4. So we are going to just put this value again. This will become minus, because minus 2 and minus 2 becomes minus 4 pi e to the power 4 I. So we have used Cauchy's integral formula and found the value to be minus 4 pi e to the power 4 I. Minus is because that the curve is in the clockwise direction. So these are the three cases we have tried and the answer is